Hello students, welcome once again to the web classes. Today again we are going to see the subject statistics, unit number 2 of part 2. The name of chapter is random variable and discrete probability distribution. This is lecture number 5 for this chapter for the 12th commerce English medium. Now, so far we had completed till illustration number 15. Now I am reading the illustration number 16, read it with me and extract the useful information from that. The parameters of binomial distribution of a random variable x are n4 and p 1 by 3. Okay, n is given and p is given. So q will be 2 by 3, है ना, 1 में से माइनस करोगे तो. State the probability distribution x in a tabular form, and hence find the value of p less than and equal to 2. तो पहले तो टेबुलर फॉर्म में, टेबुलर फॉर्म मतलब 0 की वैल्यू फाइंड करके 1 2 3 4 इन सभी की वैल्यू फाइंड करके उसको फर्स्ट क्लास एक टेबल में लिखना है. इस तरह से हम एक टेबल बनाएंगे, उसमें लिखना है. ठीक है, तो देखिए here the parameters n is 4 and p is 1 by 3, so q will be 2 by 3. Substituting the values in the parameter in the formula of binomial distribution. So this is the formula as you know. Now p and q, the values are substituted. Now the x will be from 0 to 4. Now find the value of p of 0, that is 16 by 81, then p of 1, similarly then p of 2, p of 3 and p of 4. So we will find the values respectively, then we will prepare a table like this 0 1 2 3 4 and we will keep the values 0 instead of for p of 0 the answer is 16 by 81, p of 1 answer is 32 by 81, p of 2 the answer here is you have found right here. What happened? Yeah, 24 by 81, then 8 by 81 and 1 by 81 respectively. Okay, and the total will be 1. So this is the tabular form. Now what else is required? So what they have asked again further, they have asked to find p of x less than and equal to 2. इसका मतलब क्या हुआ? 2 less 1 less 0, मतलब 0 से लेकर के 1, 0 1 2 इनका हमें चाहिए टोटल. तो टेबल है हमारे पास, देखिए 0 16 प्लस 32 48 प्लस 24 72 बाई 81 है ना, लगभग 72 बाई 81. या सो here we have answer 72 by 81. Okay, so this is the answer 8 by 9, or you can convert it in decimal also. So hopefully this illustration is clear to you. Now let's have the next illustration. In a binomial distribution p of x, px is equal n is equal 8, so n is given. Now 2 p of 4 is equal 5 p of 3 is given to you. Now we need to find the probability of getting success in all the trials. Okay, getting success in all the trials. अब इसका मतलब क्या हुआ? तो पहले तो आप px का फॉर्मूला लिखो, ठीक है, उसमें फिर 4 सब्सटीट्यूट करो और फिर बाद में 3 सब्सटीट्यूट करो. ठीक है, ये रहा, देखिए here 2 p of 4 is equal 5 p of 3 and n is equal 8 is given. Now n is equal 8 in the formula of binomial distribution we will get, this is the formula by substituting the value of n. Now respectively we will find p4 and p3 first. So p4 and p3, this 2 was in the sum and this 3 was in the sum, so we will keep it in multiplication. So that 2 has been kept in multiplication and that 5 has been kept, sorry, from where that come 5 and 2, just a second, let me have the question. Yeah, this is 5. Okay, so 3, that is written by mistake, so let me have it correct. So 3 instead of 3, what is there? That is 5. Now so 2x into 8 by 4. Why 8 by 4? Because instead of x there is 4. Okay, now p power 4, q power 8 minus 4. Similarly here 5 is in multiplication, 8 c3, why 3? Because in the bracket there is 3, so p power 3 and q power 8 minus 3. So if you solve it further, so 8 c4 answer is 70 and 8 c3 the answer is 56. Now p power 4, q power 4, p power 3 and q power 5. That 5 and 2 is in multiplication. Now multiplied 2 into 70, that is 140, and 5 into 56, that is 280. Now from that, take out the maximum common factor. Take out the maximum common factor here. So if we take the maximum, see 140 is common, okay, 140, 141 are 140, 142 is 280. Now P4 and P3, so we can take P3, Q5 and Q4, so we can take Q4 as a common factor. As what? As a common factor. Now divide it with, so 140, तो 140 तो एलिमिनेट हो गया, तो वो आएगा नहीं. p पावर 3, यहाँ p पावर 4 है, p पावर 3 ले लिया तो एक सिंगल p बचा यहाँ पर. q पावर 4 एंड q पावर 4 टेकन, तो इस साइड में सिर्फ हमारा क्या बचता है p, और इस तरफ 280 by 140, it means 2. So here you can see 2, and q power 5 and q power 4 has taken, so remains q. So ultimately this value remain p is equal to q. Now as we know q means what? Q means 1 minus p. So substitute it. Instead of q, you will write 1 minus p. So 1 minus p as written. So 2 ones are 2 and 2 into p, 2p. So this is the value. Now minus 2p, by changing the side it will be added. So it will be 3p is equal 2. So 3p is equal to means p is equal 2 by 3. So p is equal 2 by 3 means q is equal 1 by 3. Is that clear? So p is equal 2 by 3 and q is equal 1 by 3. Now substitute the values in the formula. Now what they have asked for? They have asked of getting success in all the trial. Getting success in all the trial means x is equal 8, क्योंकि हमारा n is equal 8 है, तो 8 बार ट्रायल लो तो 8 बार आपको क्या मिले? सक्सेस मिले. तो x की जगह 8 रखना है. नाउ सब्स्टिट्यूट द वैल्यूज हियर. nch 2 by 3 पावर 8, 1 by 3 पावर 8 माइनस 8, दैट इज 0. सो ये हो गया 0, इसकी वैल्यू हो गई 1, इसकी वैल्यू होती है 1. सो फाइनली आंसर इज 256 बाई 6561. 256 बाई 6561. So hopefully it is clear to you. So that's all for today. Thank you for attending the lecture. This is your homework. All illustrations are how many times? 2 times. Bye bye.